Alright, maybe you've seen the billboard near the Highland Strip or heard the story on Wednesdays Live at 9. A campaign called Birds Are Not Real brings its efforts to the Mid-South.
When most people hear about the movement, they think we're crazy. But when you start to look at the scientific evidence and the facts, you start to learn the truth. Birds aren't real, and the government is spying on us. My name is James Preston Tyrell, and I joined the Birds Aren't Real movement in 2016. At first, I was kind of skeptical, but as I looked into it, I started to realize the truth. I found out that birds aren't real.
It all started a few years ago whenever I was assigned a task to sift through some files by the CIA. While I was sifting through the files, I found blueprints of robot birds. I was horrified. Why would the government spy on us like this? I really didn't understand. A few years later, I left the CIA and pursued other jobs. But to this day, I'm horrified that the government would do this to us. We are not watching the birds. We are being watched by the birds.
Birds are simply government-operated drones spying on us. And I am not okay with that. Birds contain cameras, microphones, GPS. Who knows what other technology there is?
Me and my team wanted to get an in-person look at these robot birds, so we set out to a remote location to get some answers. So I arrived at the new location and the strangest thing happened. There are no birds here whatsoever. Usually there's flocks and flocks of birds where I am right now, but not today. Coincidence? I think not. And here's why. The government is watching us right now at this very second. And they probably know I'm making a documentary. They're trying to cover it up. Trying to stop me from making my documentary. But they're not gonna do that to me. I'm not a quitter. Not like they think I am.